So here it is. I'm sorry it has some stains because I work at a beauty suite and obviously you can tell that I'm using this a lot. Anyway, it got hair color in some parts. And here you can see that it has a lot of lint. That's because we're always blow drying hair and that's product and everything. But this little thing works really, really well. Let me show you. So here you can decide the level of heat. We usually have it at the highest. And it has fan level 1 and 2. We usually have it at 2 because it gets really cold. It is a small place. If you lift it or move it, it turns off right away. The moment you place it down, it starts working and you can feel the heat. It's actually really good for the price, and hopefully, I don't know if I can open this up to clean it inside, but other than that, I think it's worth the buy. It works well for small places, so I would totally recommend it.
Okay, this is the size of it. I always like to do it by a 16-ounce water bottle, so you know. The problem for me was that the control buttons, when you have it down and are looking at it, it's really hard to read. And if you tilt it so that you can see them, then it shuts off. I mean, you can see them, but you just can't tilt it to do it. So for me, the convenience isn't great because of that, but it did put out good heat. It is a nice small size, and you know, other than not being able to read it, I like it. So if you have a good memory or a label maker, it won't be a problem for you.
Can't figure out what that rattling sound is.
See, it works really good. It blows out a lot of heat and fills my entire living room. And if you pick it up, it will stop running, which is pretty cool. I guess it's a safety feature. But for the price, it's really worth the money. I really do recommend this. I have 2 of them now.
Je pourrais pas concevoir d'avoir, pardon, franchement, une relation sexuelle avec une femme musclée. Pourquoi? Le toucher, la sensation, je peux pas. J'arrive à...
Small but mighty. Works just fine. The greatest part, when it tips over, it stops. So, really safe.